Hello, welcome to this new episode of my Vintage Crochet Magazine Browse. This is Magic Crochet number 38, October 1985. Let's see if we can find inspiration. The first one is white tablecloth with textured flowers. Comes with the charts. Let me continue. Festive coasters. Looks like Irish crochet by Yoko Suzuki. The next one also Yoko Suzuki. Multicolor mat. Pear-shaped goodie box. Comes with charts. People pot holders. Has no mention of designer. Okay, let's see. Blue butterfly. The designer is Dharma Bregoli. The next one, Morning Glory centerpiece. Roses and Pine Cones by Glendola Hodge. I made this one a long time ago. I think I still have it. I'm going to look for it. It was made with cotton number 30. Really pretty. Let's see what else. Square play pillows. Really nice. Maybe the colors is what I like. I really like this one. I mean, they're both the same, but this one in just one color. Let's continue. Turquoise runner by Yoko Suzuki. So many Yoko Suzuki designs. I didn't know I had so many of Yoko Suzuki designs. Irish roses bedspread. Made with cotton number 5. Let me continue. Leaves and grapes. By Glendola Hodge. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Threesome. Interesting. Pineapple mat by Elizabeth Hiddleston. Really pretty. I like Elizabeth Hiddleston's designs. I like a lot of Elizabeth Hiddleston's designs. This one was made with cotton number 20. Really pretty. Floral Plenty. No mention of designer. Was made with cotton number 10. Let me continue. Stars in Squares tablecloth. Comes with a chart. Tea cloth with raised flowers. Pretty. You continue. Tricolor bedspread. Let me continue. Girls outdoor jacket. The designer is Midori Watanabe. Short jacket for girl. Cute. Coat for girl. The designer is Mireille Castellan. Cute. Coat for tot. Mireille Castellan. Indoor-outdoor cardigan. Wow. Look at the buttons. Wow. Okay, let's continue. Two-tone, two-piece by Pierre Senac. Elegant. Coat, hat, and scarf ensemble. Designed by Pierre Senac. Same thing. Harlequin pullover. Designed by Pierre Senac. The charts. Comes with charts. Let's continue. Funny farmer and his wife. Okay. Beaded polo sweater. A painting. Autumn Sunset by Cristiani Remblier. Let's see what else. Two dolls. This top looks easy. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.